our channel. Today we are doing some count function of DAX, and you can perform various counting operation on your data, helping you analyze and understand your data sets more effectively. So here we have a table employee which have 5 columns in it. You can see in a table view. It's an employee table here, an employee ID and name and department, age and salary. We have 2 rows which is empty here in an age column and one in a salary column. So let's start with the count function. And one thing I want to tell you here, and count function calculate all the number of rows which is present in the column, but it cannot calculate or cannot calculate the non-blank numeric values in a column. So let's start with the example. I will take a new measure here, and here I will rename this measure, and I give name non-blank ages because count function cannot calculate the non-blanks numeric values in a column. So I'll write here count open parenthesis, and I will take employee age column and close the bracket and enter. And as you are able to see, there's a non-blank ages measure created here, and I will take one card from here and I will drag it to the fields, and then you are able to see there's 8 non-blank ages here. So we can see in a table view there's 9 rows are here, but it's showing the 8 because one row is blank, and I already told you that the count function do not calculate the non-blank numeric values in a column. So our answer is correct. Let's move to the another measure, which is a distinct count, and the distinct count calculates the blank columns. So because it calculates the unique values in a column, so it includes the blanks in it. So this is the difference between the count and the distinct count. So let's start with the example. I will take new measure here again, and one box will appear here. I will rename it. So I will rename it by the name of unique departments. So, unique departments and distinct. I will write it here. Distinct count, and I'm applying on the department column, so I'm selected column department here and close. As you're able to see, this is a unique department name is here, and I will copy this and visual and paste it and drag it here, and I will cross this non-blank edges and unique will here. So you can able to see there's a 3 unique department in our column. So let's see in a table view. We need to check here is the department column, and there's a how many different type of the departments which is unique in a column. This is HR, IT and finance. It's showing the 3 different departments in a department column. So our answer is correct in a report view. And after that we are moving to our next function. This is a count rows function. For this, I will again create one new measure here. I will select it here and click on the new measure here, and one box will appear here. I will rename it again by the name of number of rows, because count rows calculates the number of rows in a table. So it's require only one parameter. I will show you here. Number of rows equals to count rows. I will type it here, count rows, and I will select it here. And as you are able to see, this is require only one parameter, that the name is table. So you need no need to calculate any column. You need to type it only table name. So it will calculate the number of rows in the whole table. So I will write it here in employee here and close the parenthesis and enter. And our new measure created here, number of rows. For this I will again copy it and paste it and drag it here, and I will cross this unique department and drag the number of rows here. As you are able to see, the 9 rows. We already seen it that we have nine rows in a table view. So we can check it again. So how many rows in our table? It's nine here. So its answer is correct again in a report view. So this is the count function today. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And come if you have any other questions, so please comment box in it. Thank you.